Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to fix timeout error in Valorant. First, go to Search and type View Network Connections and open it. Double-click your network adapter, go to Properties, then Internet Protocol version 4. Select Obtain IP address automatically, then choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Now open CMD as administrator. Type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Finally, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. Make sure your internet connection is stable while applying these fixes. If the timeout error still appears, restart your router and check if any VPN or proxy is enabled because it can interfere with Valorant servers. You can also try closing background applications that use network bandwidth, such as downloads or streaming services. Updating your network driver may also help improve connectivity. If nothing works, consider reinstalling Riot Vanguard and Valorant to reset all configurations. Thanks for watching.